Every day, millions of people handle one of the most iconic symbols of American prosperities, the $100 bill. At its center sits the wise, steady gaze of Benjamin Franklin, a man whose face is synonymous with the American spirit. But the journey of this founding father didn't begin in halls of power or on the faces of currency. It began in a small, cramped candle shop in 1716. Amidst the smell of tallow and the heat of boiling wax, young Benjamin, only 10 years old, worked tirelessly alongside his father, performing the grueling task of dipping wicks. The work was repetitive and exhausting, yet it was here that he learned the value of discipline and industry. Though his hands were busy with candles, his mind was elsewhere, hungry for knowledge and desperate for a life beyond the shop. He spent his meager earnings not on toys, but on books, staying up late into the night to read by the very candles he made. His passion for the written word led him to his brother's printing shop, where he truly found his voice. He began writing anonymous letters, sharing witty observations that captivated the city, proving that a sharp mind was more powerful than status. Seeking his own fortune, he left for Philadelphia with nothing but a few coins and an unstoppable drive to succeed. In Philadelphia, he built a printing empire, but his curiosity extended far beyond the pages of a newspaper. He became a scientist, famously flying a kite in a thunderstorm to prove that lightning was indeed electricity. This dangerous experiment was just one example of his desire to understand the world and improve the lives of his fellow citizens. As the colonies moved toward revolution, the former candlemaker became a statesman of unmatched influence. He helped draft the Declaration of Independence, lending his wisdom to the birth of a new nation. His diplomatic skills in France secured the support necessary for the American victory, cementing his place in history. In his later years, Franklin reflected on a life that spanned from the humble tallow shop to the pinnacle of international diplomacy. He was a man who believed that through hard work and constant learning, any individual could rise to greatness. Now, we look back at the $100 bill not just as currency, but as a tribute to that journey. The intricate security features and the bold portrait remind us of the stability and ingenuity he brought to the young republic. From the boy who made candles to light the night, to the man who sparked the flame of liberty, Benjamin Franklin's story is the ultimate American dream, a legacy that continues to shine brightly today. Benjamin Franklin, a spark that lit a nation.